It is day 6 at Mercer Lake Resort, and we've got another great day ahead of us. I'm going to be taking my 360 drone up for a spin. We're going to be doing some wake surfing out on the lake and taking the kids all out inner tubing. And it's Friday night, which means s'mores, dance party, and movie night on the beach at the resort. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all the latest videos that are coming out.
What's the plan for the day?
Swimming.
Yeah, swimming. Lots and lots of swimming. And movie and dance party.
And chicken.
I finally got the ideal morning to take my 360 drone up into the air to get some footage of Mercer Lake Resort. I've been waiting through the whole off season for my chance to get this. After getting done droning, we had to go out on the water and take advantage of the calm water and the beautiful morning. We started off with Rob doing some slalom skiing. It was then my turn to get out on the water, so I grabbed my wake surfboard and headed out for a ride. I had so much fun wake surfing that Rob wanted to go out for a last run wake surfing as well. All right, so I just got done wake surfing with Rob. He did some skiing and some wake surfing, and I did some wake surfing, and it was a super fun time. Had a blast out there, and just got back, and the kids here at the resort are already pestering me to take them out inner tubing. So I think we're going to go out on an inner tubing run here in just a little bit.
All right, so I am uploading some videos from this morning while we are also getting lunch stuff ready. Angie's gonna cut up the other half of the watermelon, which looks really good. We'll see how that goes. Liddy, what are you having for lunch?
Pretzel.
Pretzel, the best. I think I'm gonna make up a couple of sandwiches. All right, we got cut up watermelon ready to be devoured. The wild animals have arrived. They sensed watermelon in cabin 2. That much will not be left for very long.
No.
100 chips.
Who ate all the Doritos?
Both of us. Kelly ate as much as I did.
The bag of Doritos is almost empty. I want a full confession.
How could I eat that much by myself?
Kelly,
No.
Kelly, did you eat some of it?
I had like,
A lot. We had the same amount.
you had half a bag.
No.
So would you say that Kelly is not being honest right now?
Yes.
Interesting. All right, so we got lunch here with some ham sandwiches and some Pepsi and some pea salad and a few Doritos before the rest are gone. I want to be entertained. Okay, a person who shall not be named has joined us to entertain us with their diving tricks. Very good. That was a good one. Nice. Nice.
Grayson, you do a backflip now.
Very good.
You do a backflip.
Let's see a backflip from you now too.
I don't get in the water.
You don't? You have before.
I'll die if I get in the water.
I bet you won't. I'll bet you $1. Oh, that was good. Good job.
Slide what?
Good job.
Try a bunch of twists.
Let's see a bunch of twists. Very nice. Angie's made an appearance into the swim area. So what is this place right here? Is it the bus stop?
If you say bus stop somewhere, then yes.
Bus stop.
What is this place?
Bus stop.
Bus stop,
Bus stop, bus stop, bus stop, bus stop, bus stop, bus stop, bus stop.
Bus stop!
After playing in the swim area, the kids then took turns showing off their gymnastics skills in Megan and Rob's backyard.
You gotta land like that. You gotta land with both.
Yeah, you have to like, you have to like, no, you have to like,
Yeah.
After a long day of playing around, we then put some bratwursts onto the grill and cooked them up for a yummy dinner before we went into the evening activities. After dinner, we had to get one last round of wake surfing in for the day. After going out on the boat with us, Angie got to do a nice relaxing evening paddle. Since it was Friday night, it was now time to head down to the beach for dance party and movie night. But first, we had to start with some delicious s'mores. Now that we stuffed ourselves with s'mores, it was time to get our boogie on with dance party. As the sun went down on our dance party, we now all got ready for movie night. Tonight we were watching the Super Mario Brothers movie.
We're gonna be late. No, we're not. Come on, let's go. Hey, wait up. Oh, okay, so these bricks are just floating here? Oh, wow, love these pipes.
Because we have heart, and with your strength, we can win.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today. If you have favorite places you like to go with your family, please leave your comments below. We'd love to know what some of your thoughts are. Don't forget you can follow us on Instagram at Bucket Day Adventures. And if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all the latest videos that are coming out. Thanks again for joining us, and we sure hope you're doing something great today to fill your bucket. Take care.